Vice President Constantino Chiwenga of Zimbabwe has just sent out a fierce and frightening warning to so-called economic saboteurs on the new currency ZiG. If you're into political drama, grab your popcorn because this is intense. So, here's the scoop. Chiwenga stood up in front of the nation and delivered a fiery speech, accusing certain individuals and groups of deliberately sabotaging the economy and the new currency, the Zimbabwe gold ZiG. He didn't mince words. He called them out, saying their actions are not just criminal but a direct attack on Zimbabwe's progress and stability. Now, what makes this even more chilling? He promised that these saboteurs would face severe consequences. He warned that the government would not hesitate to take stringent actions to protect the nation's economy and well-being. Imagine hearing that from one of your country's top leaders. It's definitely a wake-up call for anyone thinking they can play games with the economy. Let's break it down. Chiwenga is essentially drawing a line in the sand. He's sending a clear message. If you mess with the economy, you're messing with the livelihoods of millions, and you will pay the price. The vice president is making it known that there's zero tolerance for economic sabotage, and the government is ready to act decisively. Why is this important? Well, Zimbabwe has been facing significant economic challenges for years. Inflation, currency issues, and unemployment have been major hurdles. In such a fragile state, any deliberate attempt to destabilize the economy can have catastrophic effects. Chiwenga's warning is a bid to protect the nation from further turmoil and ensure that economic recovery efforts are not derailed. But here's the kicker. This speech isn't just about economic saboteurs. It's a broader message to anyone thinking of undermining the state. It's about asserting authority and control during turbulent times. It's a high-stakes game, and Chiwenga is showing that the government is ready to play hardball. So, what's next? Will this warning deter those plotting against the economy? Or will it escalate tensions even further? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. Chiwenga's message is loud and clear. The stakes are high, and Zimbabwe's leadership isn't backing down. All right, folks, that's all for today's political update. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most riveting political stories. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Catch you next time.